Nasaan?
Umikot po yung mga sabi na kayo daw po in hospital, may sakit.
Andito.
How is your state of health, sir?
Because lumabas yung report. Yan ang kailangan ninyong tignan. Do I look sick? Yan ang kailangan natin bantayan. Mga fake news na ganyan. Huwag kayong naniniwala unless it comes from a credible source. Tama, ang dami kong kaibigan tumawag sa akin, okay ka ba? Okay ka ba? Wala, kalukuhan lang yan.
You were in the palace sa bahay nyo kahapon, sir?
I was in the most of the day, yes. I had a meeting in the morning. I had a command conference with some of our commanders. And I spent the rest of the day reading my briefs and doing paperwork. Nagulat lang ako when they said that there was a medical emergency.
Medivac.
Medical emergency.
Sir, which is why we were asking you directly. Kaya po,
yeah, well, it's totally and completely fake. I do not even have a cold. I do not have anything wrong with me. I'm fine. Thank you for your concern.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.